reach for the stars. Climb every mountain higher, reach for the stars. Follow your heart's desire, reach for the stars. And when the rainbow's shining over you, that's when your dreams will all come true.
Fantasy Nail Coloring Design Machine Operation Instructions. The Fantasy Nail Coloring Designing Machine includes a coloring machine, 5 coloring pads with a total of 22 patterns, 6 bottles of paints, a bottle of top coat, a coloring pad catalog, and an operation manual. Before use. 1. Check whether the emitter lock of the coloring machine is clean for use. 2. Press the scraping board releasing bottom on the sides to remove the scraping board and inspect the scraping board and see if it is clean for use. If the scraping board has dirt or paint remains, you can use a nail polish remover for cleaning. This cleaning process should be done every time you have finished coloring all of your 10 nails to ensure that the pattern can be pressed onto your nails perfectly. After cleaning, line the protrusion at the front of the scraping board with the front of the coloring machine and just press it back down. 3. The protective wrap on the coloring mold should be removed before use. Operating instructions. 1. If you are operating the machine on a glass surface, you can use the adhesion handle. By wrenching the handle, you can lock or release your machine on the glass surface to prevent slipping. 2. Choose a coloring mold of your favor. You can refer to Set A in the catalog for advice on color combinations, or simply pick your own colors. In the middle of the coloring pads, O represents single color pattern, and 1, 2, 3, 4 represents the coloring sequence on pad 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are choosing a pattern which requires more than 2 colors, please apply the colors by following the sequence clockwise. 3. Place the coloring pads face up and the pattern of desire facing the center of the machine front. Then place it into the coloring pad locator. 4. Push the front of the machine slightly forward and release the nail stopper upwards. Then, place the palm side of your fingers on the finger locator. Slide forward until the center line your nail into exact halves. Then lock nail stopper downwards. Please note that the center line should line up with the center line of your fingernail. Thus, you have finished positioning your nails. Now, there are only 3 steps left to your perfect nails. 1. Brush the paint onto your coloring pad. 2. Move the emitter to the top of the coloring pad. Press the emitter down to touch the coloring pad. 3. Place your finger on the locator. Quickly slide the emitter in place and press down the machine lock. Now the patterns are printed onto your nails. Easy to operate. Just 1, 2, 3. Gives you perfect nail coloring. For multicolor pads, just follow the 1, 2, 3, 4 sequences on the pad for the same nail. Please note that the microparticle paint used in this product dries up very quickly. The process of painting should not exceed 5 seconds, or the paint may dry up and fail to adhere to your fingernails. Now you can start coloring your fingernails. Just 1, 2, 3. Easy steps will give you fantastic DIY nail coloring. Let you walk at the very front of the fashion trend. 5. To make your masterpiece last longer, we offer you a special top coat. After you have finished your nail coloring, apply the top coat will enable your coloring to last 7 to 10 days. 6. If you do not like the color on your fingernails, simply remove them with nail polish remover, and you are ready to do the coloring process again. Cleaning the nail coloring machine. Use nail polish remover and clean cotton sticks to remove the remaining paint on the coloring pad. Also, do not forget to check whether the emitter lock has paint remaining on it. It is equally important to clean the paint on the scraping board for next use. We include Group A coloring pads and a set of paints as part of this offer. We also have coloring pads Group B, C, D, E, and shimmering paints. Please contact us or our distributors for more information. Thank you for watching.